subjuntivo. How does it prompt me? What word do I need here so I know that I have to use modo subjuntivo? I need on this class, which is the main class or the independent class, what I need here is a word like this, a word that expresses modo subjuntivo. Por ejemplo, for instance, when you say it is better, it is necessary, it is possible, my mom wants me, it is urgent. Okay, so those words are going to express subjunctive when you're doubting, when you're uncertain about something. That is going to express subjunctive. So, por ejemplo, I am going to give you a word that expresses subjunctive. So you have the verb desear. And then, how do we form subjunctive based on this word? So, por ejemplo, yo deseo, I desire, yo deseo que, modo subjuntivo, I'm thinking in comer. Yo deseo que comas tus vegetales. See, I'm expressing a desire. So I need to use subjunctive. Okay? Let me express a recommendation here. Él recomienda que, and then el modo subjuntivo, for the modo subjuntivo, I'm going to use hablar. Él recomienda que hables tú. I can use tú, I can use any other form. Él recomienda que tú hables con ella. He recommends that you speak with her. See, I have a recommendation. So after the que, I am going to use the verb in subjunctive. Okay? Muy bien. Let me express a necessity. Por ejemplo, when I say es necesario. Now in this one, there's no person here. It is only the verb and the word. Okay? The verb and the word that is expressed in that specific situation. So if you have something that is expressing necessity, then you're going to prompt that to subjunctive. Es necesario que vayas a la escuela. So it is necessary you go to school. Es necesario que vayas a la escuela. Again, this word is prompting me to subjunctive. We have words like it is better. Por ejemplo, es mejor. Es mejor que estudies más. It is better for you to study more. Okay? Now, how about if I'm saying that to them? Es mejor que ellos estudien más. Now, I'm in a group of people, and then I'm telling them, I'm part of the group, so I'm telling them it's better that for us to study more. So, es mejor que nosotros estudiemos más. Subjunctive. The verb is in subjunctive. Before the que, you don't put the verb in subjunctive. Don't put it in subjunctive. You put it in indicative. Look, that is indicative. Okay? It is after the que when you put it in subjunctive. Again, after the que is when you put the verb in subjunctive. Before the que, the verb is in indicative. Let me express one thing here. One more example. Mi mamá quiere. Modo indicativo. Que yo compre. Modo subjuntivo. Un carro. My mom wants me to buy a car. Again, I am going to buy the car. She wants me to buy a car. But is this saying that I'm buying the car? See? So that is when I want to use modo subjuntivo. To express things that are actually, that I need to put in suspense. That perhaps it's not going to happen. She wants me to buy a car, but I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it. Again, the verbs that you see on page 396 and the verbs that you see on page 398, those verbs are going to be located here and they're going to prompt you to modo subjuntivo. Okay? Muy bien. Now, one word in specific that doesn't use this structure, that is very used in Espanol, is the word ojalá. Okay? Ojalá. And this word expresses hope. Like for instance, when you say, I hope you have a good day. You're going to use this, you may use this one as a substitute of that I hope. Okay? And that word is always going to change the verbs in subjunctive. Ojalá que tengas un buen día. Okay? I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good day. Okay? Now I put the que in parentheses because you can drop it. You can say, ojalá tengas un buen día, o ojalá que tengas un buen día. Okay? Muy bien. So this part, with the word ojalá, again, is going to prompt you always in subjunctive. Okay? Muy bien. Now, I am going to be uploading this paper to Canvas. If you look on files, you'll find it there. Okay? And it's going to give you a list of words that if used in the indicativo, then it's going to prompt you to subjunctive. Okay? So look for these words. And then again, they're going to prompt you to subjunctive. And then what I need you to do is to work on some of the examples that you have here. Now, some of the examples you have the word vosotros. You can skip those or just look it up and then try to work on it. Okay? So, por ejemplo, this one is la profesora espera que las alumnas estudien. Okay? So, again, you have to change the word. You will change the word to, or conjugate according to the tense that we need to follow. Okay? So, presente del indicativo, que, and then presente del subjuntivo. So, número uno es la profesora espera. Notice that this is modo indicativo. We have to add the que las alumnas estudien. La profesora espera que las alumnas estudien. La profesora hopes for her students to study. Okay? So here you're doubting. So yo dudo tú decirme una mentira. ¿Sí? So you're gonna take that one and then you're gonna say yo dudo que tú me digas una mentira. ¿Sí? Yo dudo, I doubt, that you will tell me a lie, that you will lie to me. Yo dudo que tú me digas una mentira. Again, the application of these ideas in English not necessarily are going to be in subjunctive all the time. Okay? But this is how, again, when we have these words in specific, then in Español we're going to use the subjunctive. Okay? Muy bien. Okay, and this is the subjunctive. Alright? Just check your notes also on the verbs car, gar, sar. And again, they conjugate the same way that we did for the commands. Okay? So, por ejemplo, if you have a verb like sacar, in the yo form, it's going to be que yo saque, que tú saques, que él saque, que nosotros saquemos. So it's going to be the same form for everybody. Okay? Llegar the same, and then alzar the same, or zar the same. Okay? So to finish, this is going to be your actividad número 3. Okay, you have to work on these ejercicios, and you have to turn them into a canvas. Okay, so I'm going to upload this paper, this handout, okay, to Canvas, and look for it in the actividades or in the files, and this is going to be your actividad 3. Okay, and email me if you have any questions. Ok, clase, hasta luego. Chao.